oven fresh Focaccia bread for their burgers.
They make all their bread fresh before every single burger,
son, where'd you
dubbing it
find
the
this?
oven roasted Focaccia roll.
Get the bacon and everything in there.
Yeah, the bread is delicious. Woo! It's banging right here. They got their garlic ranch, jalapenos, burgers is cooked to perfection, 100% grass fed, no pork cuts, oven roasted Focaccia bread. It's missing something. This sauce is incredible.
Ain't forget they special curry fries. A real good punch to them. Great coating. They garlic ranch.
It's ranch time.
Ray's is one of them ones. Don't be the last one to catch on to the wave. I'm definitely gonna double back here, and when you pull up, make sure you tell them MJ sent you.